Hello and welcome to week 4. For week 4, the first thing you're going to do is complete your reading assignments. For this week's reading assignments, you are going to read using evidence, all sections, logical fallacies, all of the sections, and finally revising your argument, all sections. And you've got your prezzies to guide you to the main points of each of those readings. Okay, once you've completed your reading, you're going to work on your second annotated bibliography. It is set up exactly the same way as the first annotated bibliography. You are going to find two sources about your topic. You're going to summarize those sources. You'll need to choose the sections that are going to support your argument, but you'll want to start with a works cited page, and on the following page or just below it, you're going to include a double-spaced one-page summary of the key points within each of these sources, so 1 page per source, 2 pages because you'll have 2 sources. And each summary must include the article's purpose, the article's intended audience, and the article's strongest rhetorical appeal. So it's exactly the same as before, you're just adding on. So by the end of this, you'll have a total of 4 sources that you can use for project number 2. Okay. Moving on, you're also going to start to prepare for your primary research. And your primary research is going to include an observation protocol where you'll have notes and interview questions. When you open that up, you're going to construct a 1 to 2 page observation protocol with room for notes, and you'll create a 10-question interview. So eventually you're going to use both of these, but this is just in the creation stage, and you're going to get a little feedback on them from me as well as from your peers. So these 2 instruments are going to be used to collect data on your site, culture, or group, and I've included some information about these with some samples below. So what you've got is an ethnography field guide, field notes, and participant observation guide, conducting a good observation, and you've also got, information about ethnography interviews, including 2 sets of different questions and a little bit of information about asking the right questions in the right ways. So you've got those to guide you as you create your observation protocol with room for notes and your interview questions. All right, so then when you get down to discussion forum number 4, what you're going to do is you are going to create your 2 instruments. You'll post those, as you reply. And once you've created both, like I said, you're going to submit them to the forum. You'll locate one classmate's post and provide feedback on both of those instruments. How might the writer improve either or both tools in order to answer the following questions about their site, culture, or group? What goes on here? What are the people here like? Why do they come here? And what statements can you make about the people gathered here? So remember, these are the questions that are guiding the ethnography for the whole semester. So in your initial post and one response, to one classmate are both due at the end of the week. All right. So you've got your discussion forum, you're going to turn in your annotated bibliography, you're going to turn in that 1 to 2 page observation protocol with room for notes, and you're going to turn in your 10 interview questions. That's what you've got for week 4, but as always, if you've got questions, let me know.